Science.
And a 1, 2.
Woo! Dance. How? Hey kids, Professor Marbles here. Today we're gonna do an egg drop again on purpose, but with a little bit of a challenge. Me and Sprinkles are both gonna drop an egg. We don't have any because we dropped all of our eggs last time, so we need to go to the store and get some eggs, and then we're each gonna spend how much? No, not that much. Maybe like, yeah, that much. We're each gonna get 10 smackaroos to spend to make some sort of vessel to put our egg in, and then we're gonna throw it, drop it, sit on it, drive it up, sit it in the moon!
Why are you the way that you are?
And see who survives. But we have to go shopping. To the store! Away! All right, we are very far from the lab. We are at local dollar store establishment. This is where the journey begins. We're each gonna get 10 smackaroos to build our vessel for our egg. Away we go.
And away we go.
I feel like this is not good so far. There's a birdhouse in this aisle. I'll just put it in the birdhouse. Easy peasy. Sprinkles. You just egg in the hole. Oh, impact. Done. Mission accomplished.
That's all, folks.
Step 1, step 2. So these mini pallets are actually kind of adorable. It's like a little mini pallet waiting for a little forklift to come by and doo-doo. That's step 3. I'm gonna use these balloons. I'm gonna tape them to the thing, so I'll have like a airbag system, and then this should just keep it safe. Plus they got smiles on them, so it's all happy trails. Step 3. Step 4. So, I know it seems kind of counterintuitive, but I'm going to put this weight at the bottom of my thing, so when I throw it, it's going to stay only one way, and then this should like cushion the fall. Then we got all the other balloons. We're just going to like spread the impact. We're golden. That's it. Step 5.
Back to the lab again.
All right, we're back at the lab from our dollar store trip. We have everything that we picked up within $10.
Yep, under $10.
And we've just got some simple things that we have at home. We got some tape and scissors. Now we're also gonna do 10 minutes of building our vessel. In 3, 2, 1, now.
All right.
What's your thinking strategy here?
My thinking strategy is I got a container at the dollar store. So I will put my egg in here, but that won't protect it per se. I need something to absorb the energy of the fall.
Sure, yeah.
So I went with your classic fighter thing. I mean, you get a nice block out of that. So that's gonna go on the bottom here and act as an absorbent.
Oh, that's actually very, wow.
Next up, my Arthur plushie. That's gonna go on the end. I'm either gonna stuff it in with whatever room is left with the egg in there or tape it. That way, if I bounce, I'm protected.
Oh, okay.
So I got the top and the bottom protected, but what I don't have protected is the sides. So these bad boys come in. It's important to remember when doing science is to stay energized and well hydrated. Anything I don't eat, that's gonna go in there around the egg. These little guys, they're gonna provide that squishiness to absorb the blow. And then finally, I just got some nice decals. What'd you get?
So I got this little palette. It's a miniature palette. It's kind of adorable. That's kind of why I got it. So I'm deciding to roll with it. I'm thinking I'm gonna put the egg on that, a cup upside down, tape the cup to it. I'm gonna tape all these balloons. I'm gonna blow up these balloons and tape them to the cup so it's kind of like a cushion, like an airbag. And then I wanna make sure that it can like stay like this way down. So I got this. This is like you tie balloons to it. I'm thinking I'm gonna throw it and it's gonna look like this. So that's my thought process for that.
Okay.
I'm gonna get to making. Are you chewing?
I am chewing. It's only because I don't have an egg.
Oh, that's crazy. Oh, I don't have an egg either. How do you, oh. Now we're cooking.
Now the game's on. We're cooking with fire. I need the scissors for that.
One down.
And then I don't want this tag here, so I'll just do that. And then I need to open up my gummy bears. Oh, they're already open. What do I need these for? That. I forgot to ask, would you like a gummy bear? Would you like one?
Yeah.
How's yours coming along?
Well, see, I was thinking if I reinforce it a certain way so that it can stay, kind of upright.
Look at that, the problem solved itself.
Oh, this tape is not doing what I need tape to do.
Oh, what happened to the plushie?
What protects the inside of your body?
All the food I've eaten.
Yes, and the outside of your body.
The food I haven't eaten.
Yes. So I decided to open up Arthur, fill the cavity of my Luck of the Irish hat with some of the plush because I didn't have enough gummy bears. I knew I should have bought 2 bags, but I
Shouldn't have eaten some either.
You know.
No?
It's like a taxidermied Arthur pillow.
Yeah, it could be. If I win, I get your laboratory, right?
Oh, that's true.
5 minutes later.
1 minute? Oh no.
I haven't even applied my stickers.
Thousands of tears later.
30 seconds.
Oh gosh.
How many stickers can one apply in 30 seconds?
A lot of boring math later.
5,
Oh no.
4,
Oh no.
3, 2, 1 3/4. 1 1.
2 very boring minutes later.
0.
Hands off! Hands off!
Okay, how did your thing turn out?
Mine turned out great. I call it taxidermy. The egg's safely tucked away in there, protected by a body. I think I'm gonna win this one.
Okay. Well, I was trying to get a little inspiration from one of the Apollo missions and the capsule coming back.
Yeah.
So that's like, they had all the balloons, so it kind of like knows how to float back upright. And this to help with re-entry from the air in my backyard to the ground in my backyard, which is a rough journey.
So you said float, right? We're not like as
Well, I thought these would be like an airbag. I kind of
okay.
see how it's kind of doing something.
Yeah.
And then these tassels are just for style.
Okay, that's very stylish. Did you see my stickers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
Nice.
Thank you.
Well, shall we go to the outdoor laboratory and give these a test?
I think so.
I think the time has come. Away we go.
Oh no, back to the lab again.
All right, so we're outside and we've actually just discussed we're gonna make a slight change. We're not gonna try to throw them this way like that last time I threw eggs. We're gonna throw them up and see how well they come back down. Because typically if you're doing this at school, you're gonna go up somewhere and drop them. This is gonna be kind of close.
Mimicking it, yeah.
As close as we can get without climbing up on my roof, in a tree, or anywhere else. We're gonna do like a 1, 2, 3 toss.
Yeah, are you gonna try to do it like as high as you can do it, or just give it a one? Yeah, let's just give it a good
good
shot. Yeah.
down, up.
Yeah, we'll do it down and
Ooh, I need to stretch first.
limber up.
Science, science, science. We're gonna go 1, 2,
And then
3.
yeah.
All right, cool.
1, 2,
3. All right, I don't see any egg juice. My balloon came undone.
All of your balloons. Oh.
Well, the one is still serving a purpose, that's for sure.
I also see no juice on mine. Sounds like it's one piece.
Let's break these bad boys open.
Yeah, you can go first.
Okay. I didn't really design this to be opened,
Yeah, you really got yours strapped on there.
It's still fine.
All right.
Why did we even wrap it?
Here we go. Gotta pick the innards out. I'm not finding any goop yet, which is a good sign. When you see goop,
You know you got, or any gummy bears.
you start running.
Yeah, anytime I see goop. Worst Easter basket ever. Oh, I don't know. Is that a good sound?
I don't know. Oh, I got some gummy bears.
Oh,
It's like a reward. There she comes.
wow.
One piece.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, I see.
There can only be one winner.
It seems like that winner's me still.
I want to see the chicken that laid these eggs. How about this? What if we try no apparatus toss?
Okay. Ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh, did you? No!
See, it's a good thing we went up though, because if we went like this, it'd break.
Oh, that's crazy. Oh, mine did it too. Huh, that's science for you.
Victory gummy bear?
Yeah, thank you. Cheers. Well, thanks. Oh, that's right. 3 times. Always do everything 3
Experiments
times.
of 3.
Now we're done. Thanks for watching. Remember to always look for the science around you, and I'll see you in the next experiment. So I'm gonna throw my egg. It's gonna have a little parachute, but then I'm just gonna catch it. Problem solved. I don't need to worry about anything else. I'm just gonna